Welcome back to DRx Learning Hub. Today, I am taking you through one of the most underrated but absolutely vital systems in your body, the lymphatic system. Trust me, once you get to know it, you'll never forget how important it is for both defense and drainage. So, what exactly is the lymphatic system? It's a vast network made up of lymph, that's a pale yellow fluid, almost like plasma, lymphatic vessels, which act as transport channels, and lymphoid organs, your body's own defense structures. Together, they drain excess tissue fluid and keep your body fighting fit against infections. Let's break down the main functions. First, it keeps fluid balance in check. Any excess fluid from your tissues, the lymphatic system collects it and sends it right back to your bloodstream. Second, it's your immunity champion. Lymph nodes, scattered in places like your neck, armpits, and groin, filter out harmful pathogens and produce lymphocytes, those tiny warriors of your immune system. Number 3, absorption of fats. Special lymphatic structures called lacteals in your small intestine help absorb fatty acids from your diet. That's why your intestinal lymph looks a bit milky after a heavy meal. Now the vessels. They start as tiny capillaries, merge to form larger vessels, and eventually drain into two main ducts, the thoracic duct and the right lymphatic duct. These ducts return lymph back into the venous circulation, always moving in one direction, towards the heart. What about the organs? Lymph nodes filter lymph and make lymphocytes. The spleen is the largest lymphatic organ. It filters blood, destroys old red blood cells, and stores platelets. The thymus is where T lymphocytes mature, especially during childhood. Tonsils act as the first line of defense against anything you inhale or swallow, while bone marrow is the birthplace of all blood cells, including lymphocytes. Lymph moves with help from skeletal muscle contraction, breathing, and valves that prevent backflow. When things go wrong, you might see lymphedema, tonsillitis, or even lymphoma. So, to sum up, the lymphatic system protects you from infection and keeps your body's fluid and fat balance just right. Like, share, and subscribe to DRx Learning Hub. Thank you.